In this video, we're going to explore the topic 1.14 infinite limits and vertical asymptotes of AB, calculus AB, and BC. Alright, look at the example right here. Consider the following functions: f of s equals 1 over s minus 1 and g of s equals 1 over s minus 1 squared. Example number 1. Find each limit and confirm the result with the graph above. Now, limit of f of s when s approaches 1 minus, right? You see the vertical asymptote right here. And 1 minus, which means 1 from the left, right? So it's going to be negative infinity, right? Second one, limit of f of s when s approaches 1 plus, which means 1 from the right, right? So it's going to be positive infinity, right? Now, since this guy different, right? Then limit of f of s when s approaches 1 does not exist, right? Now, question D, we're going to look at this one right here. Limit of g of s when s approaches 1 minus, right? You see the vertical asymptote right here. 1 minus, which means 1 from the left, right? It's still positive infinity, right? Now, limit of g of s when s approaches 1 plus, which means 1 from the right? It's still positive infinity, right? So, the limit of g of s when s approaches 1 is going to be positive infinity, right? This guy is the same thing as does not exist. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.